But we trust, we care.
And with the way we listen to each other. Every kamusta ka is a small step closer. Every pasensya na is a sign that you care. And every salamat, that's the glue that keeps us there.
But sometimes we just break. We argue, we stop talking. We scroll past each other online, pretending nothing hurts, when deep down, everything does.
We lose friends, not because we stop caring, but because we stop listening.
Empathy is not just pity. It's feeling what they feel. Communication is honesty with kindness. Respect is giving space, without making others feel small.
Relationships are imperfect. We fight, misunderstand, grow apart, but we can heal.
When we choose empathy over pride, listening over helping, and respect over ego, we rebuild.
Become bridges again, stronger than before.
Because in the end,
lahat tayo ay tulay.
tulay na nag-uugnay.
Tulay na bumabalik. Tulay na tutong magmahal ng totoo.
Sa bawat pagharap natin sa salamin, minsan hindi lang refleksyon ang bumabalik, pati ang mga masasakit na alaalang pilit nating kinakalimutan, ang mga multo ng ating nakaraan.
Because, tangin na naman ito. Ulit balik. Tulay na tutong magmahal. Naman sabi tayo sa tulay na bumahal. Kamusta ka? It's a small step closer. Okay.